Hey.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, good. She reached the other one too. She gets that one too. Good job. And now the bunny. Now the bunny.
Come, you have to come to here.
Show it the other way. Street camouflage.
Here. Yeah. Come, that's you.
I know how to get that one.
How are we gonna do that? Oh wow. Watch your head.
Got it.
Nice. Thanks, brother. Sweet puppy. Oh, so smashing. Oh, it's like a top.
I know.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Break it, you guys. Oh, so let her go to it. Let her go to it.
Yeah, come. Come, Naira. There it is. Come. Aja. 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 Aja.
Mom,
Yeah.
yesterday when I was taking off the things,
Yes.
I did bite my fingers and it came off.
Oh, do you hear that, Dana?
Who took off the tape?
Some of them fell off like that, but he has not bit his nails after that. Right? You're the best butcher we ever saw, Dana.
Mom, you know in my sleep my hand was here and I was biting it from here.
From far away.
Yeah. Like this.
Naira. Come.
No,
Let's go brush your teeth and then I can give you that yummy ham that I bought for you yesterday. Oh, that's so cute. That's so adorable.
Hey, move her legs. Show her how to move the feet.
Look.
Yeah.
Nice. Do that, Naira.
Tell her what you have to do. How do you walk?
Left leg, right leg. Lift it up. Oh, she's doing it. A little bit.
How does it work?
There you go.
So you move your left leg, pick it up, so you pick up your left leg and put it in front of you and put it down. Isn't it? And then pick up your right leg and put it in front of that one and put it down. And then the body automatically comes. But you have to move your body.
Tell her
No. You can go upside down.
how.
Like this. Why your head is jumping on the hard floor?
Okay, let's not teach Naira that. Let's teach Naira first walking.
No wires. No wires.
I know what kind of helper.
Whoa.
Okay.